Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a zebra emoji. What we're going to do is draw a profile view. So let's just start at the top of his head, going down to the left. And this will be the front of his head to the nose. Okay, let's curve this down to his upper lip. And then this is going to curve up so we can give him a nice smile. And that wrinkle at the end of the mouth. So from here, we'll draw the lower lip. Short curve. And then onto the chin. Like that. And then this is going to go back to his cheek. Just a short line there first. And then give him a big cheek. Let's draw his eye. Let's just draw a big eye, big circle, and a big pupil on the inside with a big highlight on the upper right and a smaller highlight on the lower left. Just go ahead and shade this in. Okay. Now let's draw the ear from here. First we'll go up and then kind of a pointed oval. Give it some form and then back down. Let's give it some thickness, the edge. Basically just a parallel line, although it's a little bit wider towards the tip and back down. Let's draw its mane. From here, right above the eye, we're going to go forward first and then go back this way. But first, let's go ahead and finish off the outline of his head. So here I'm curving it in a little bit, and behind the ear, we're going to go down over here. Okay, so continue that line to the right. So now let's draw the front of the neck right here. Go down and finish off the bottom of his profile. Let's go back to the mane. The top of the mane will make a curve behind the ear and then back down. It's going to get narrower as it comes down here. So let's just draw that curve up behind the ear, kind of farther away from the profile of his neck, and then getting closer. Okay, now that we're here, we can continue this line to meet the back of the mane. Okay, so now we can put stripes. The front of the head by the nose is generally darker, so I'm just gonna go ahead and draw kind of a curved line right there. And let's not forget the nostril. And I will go ahead and darken that and maybe draw a small line to show some thickness there. And now we can draw some other stripes. Alright, starting from here, let's draw a wavy line that goes behind the ear, kind of to a point, start coming back down, and then right here it's going to branch off going underneath the eye. Curve it back, and then another branching off, and you can just vary this quite a bit and it'll look fine. Let's draw a couple stripes here by the front and another one right here just above the eye. Alright, so from the bottom of the cheek, let's just go up to a point and then back down. And then here we're going to go this way and just fill in these blank areas with stripes and vary the thickness. And so right here I'm going to go ahead and say draw another one right here. This time it's going to go all the way to the back. Give it some thickness this way. And then maybe branch off again. Make this a little bit thicker. And then let's draw a couple stripes here coming off the front. And finally one more right here. Okay, we'll darken those in a little bit. And now we can also add some stripes to the mane. So right here, let's draw a stripe right here. This is going to be dark. In fact, let me just go ahead and get my Sharpie and just start putting in some of the stripes. You don't have to outline it like I did here. You could just go also directly into making the stripes with your Sharpie. And I'll just go ahead and do that right now. And as before, try to vary it a little bit so it doesn't look too regular. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and darken these other stripes that we drew earlier, that we had outlined earlier. Okay, so as far as this part goes, more than likely a lot of these stripes in real life are not of pure black, and what I sometimes do when I'll draw something like this, like a zebra, is I would make these stripes actually kind of a very dark gray, in which case you would be able to see these features here with the mouth. Because now if we just blacken this nose area with the Sharpie, you're gonna totally lose all of these features. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually gonna just cross hatch this, the front, just so we can still see the mouth. And just to make it a little bit darker, I'll cross hatch it so we still get a dark tone but still see the features of the mouth and the nostril. It's totally up to you. You can just also, as I mentioned, use a very dark gray marker. And actually I'll go ahead and add a third crosshatch just to make it even darker. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'll go back with my thick Sharpie and outline the whole thing. And try to re-emphasize the mouth a little bit more so it can be clearly seen. And that's pretty much it. There's our zebra emoji. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.